Welcome, divine seekers. Today we honor Omael, Omael, the 30th angel of the 72 Shem HaMephorash, known as the divine code of fertility, restoration, and multiplication. Omael holds space for accelerated growth, emotional healing, and sacred waiting. This angel is the guardian of divine timing, the one who helps us carry what's holy until it's ready to be born. Omael whispers, "Be patient. I am multiplying you in secret." Cosmic ID card. Name, Omael, pronounced Oshmael. Position, 30th of the 72 angels of the Shem HaMephorash. Meaning, God who is patient. Zodiac domain, 15 degrees, 20 degrees Leo. Element, fire. Ruling planet, Sun, with Mercury influence. Number vibration, 30. Direction, east. Choir, dominions. Divine specialties. Omael is the sacred midwife of destiny. Fertility in womb, work, vision, and purpose. Multiplication of blessings, strength, and soul assignments. Restoration from fatigue, frustration, and delay. Comfort in waiting seasons and spiritual pregnancy. Emotional balance and gentleness during growth. Awakens sacred timing and creative cycles. Nurtures healing after collapse or burnout. Blesses aligned expansion, not forced ambition. Biblical connection, Psalm 71:6. By you I have been upheld from birth. You are he who took me out of my mother's womb. My praise shall be continually of you. Hebrew, Bika samakti, mi beten mishiliat emi, ata govzi, tilati tamid. When to call Omael. When carrying a new vision, project, or calling. In seasons of burnout, loss, or delay. To restore emotional balance and gentleness. When nurturing a business, child, idea, or transition. To break cycles of premature endings. To activate divine multiplication and growth. Sacred timing. Peak hours, 9:40, 9:59 a.m. or p.m. Power day, Sunday. Astrological period, August 18th, 22. Lunar phase, waxing moon or full moon. Crystal connections. Moonstone harmonizes creative and emotional cycles. Carnelian activates divine courage and life force. Citrine supports abundance and joyful expansion. Rose quartz softens self-judgment and promotes nurturing. Green aventurine restores vitality and opens the heart. Botanical allies. Red raspberry leaf strengthens womb, physical or energetic. Lavender calms fear and helps you wait well. Basil invokes prosperity and sacred creativity. Geranium balances emotions and hormones. Myrrh grounds the soul during gestation and transition. Pro tip: anoint your womb or solar plexus with basil and myrrh oil. Drink raspberry leaf or lavender tea while journaling your divine blueprint. Color energies. Pink heart-centered nurturing. Gold, creative vitality and soul royalty. Green restoration and divine life force. Coral, sacred softness and fertile flow. Shadow aspects to watch. Impatience or emotional frustration. Burnout from trying to make it happen. Fear that time is running out. Comparing your timeline to others. Judging yourself or others during delay. Believing the waiting is punishment, not preparation. Personal story, from business to blueprint. During what I now know was the dark night of the soul, I was filled with spirit-confirmed ideas. I thought I had followed every divine instruction. I launched Family is Golden Senior Care. It made sense. It felt like purpose. But right when I believed everything was about to manifest, everything collapsed. My mind and body turned on themselves. I fell into what the world calls mental illness, but I know now it was a sacred disassembly. Spirit took me from caregiver to patient, and in that reversal, something was purified. In the depth of it all, Spirit whispered, "You are not Family is Golden. You are I am that I am." What I thought was a business was just the birthing canal. Through that process came the awakening of the I am, the light code, the healing spiral, the Jacob's ladder blueprint. Every time I tried to fast-track it, I lost. But when I finally surrendered, the vision multiplied on its own. Omael didn't just restore my mind. He restored my spiritual DNA. Powerful invocation ritual. Light a green or pink candle. Place carnelian or moonstone on your womb or creative center. Speak Psalm 71:6 out loud. Say, Omael, divine multiplier of what is holy, nurture the soul of my assignment. remove all impatience, and restore my divine rhythm. Let what is ready be born, and what is not be held in love. Visualize a golden garden blooming within your body. Journal any visions, words, or images you receive. Omael's signature signs. Deep emotional calm after anxiety or delay. Signs of pregnancy, physical or symbolic. Repeated numbers like 222, 888, or 515. Downloads of blueprints, templates, or new ideas. Dreams of birth, water, or divine children. Peace during silence or slow seasons. How you'll know it's working. You stop rushing and start resting. Your calling feels rooted, not forced. You feel pregnant with something holy. You trust the pace of your process. You no longer compare your timeline to others. Closing. Omael reminds us, the womb is sacred. The wait is not wasted. You are being multiplied in ways the world cannot see. Your surrender is the soil. Your timing is divine. Your bloom is inevitable. If this message spoke to your spirit, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with someone who is birthing in silence. For sacred offerings, I Am Wellness products, spiritual healthcare, prophetic storytelling, decoded films, and divine embodiment tools, visit figalisticrestoration.com. You are not behind. You are being formed. Let Omael show you how to multiply what is holy.